This is after it's come up to temperature and a half an hour of boiling. As you can see, the apples are starting to break down, the liquid level has reduced, and I really wish that there was like smell-o-vision, because this is one of the best smells. Just, oh, it smells so good. You can smell the tonka bean, and the Ceylon cinnamon, and the cassia, and the star anise, and the clove, and just apples. Very sweet smelling. Now that this has boiled for an hour, you can see that it's reduced by quite a bit, and also that they're like solids now broken down into the liquid, so it's getting thicker. I don't know actually if you can see that at all past the steam, but it is getting thicker. So now we put the lid on it for the next 2 hours.
Down to a simmer.
Yep. Chocolate is done melting. When it's done melting,
No lumps.
nice, silky smooth. Goes into the cocoa and gets rolled around. Kind of shake off any excess. Put it over there. There's not enough on our hands to make another one, so we get to eat it. Yeah.
Oh, it's so good. Oh my god.
can't wait to eat these. Holy
I think
cow.
those are the best ones we've ever made.
Yeah, like the black chocolate, like that really is, it gives it like an Oreo kind of twist.
Yeah, but like if
But
Oreos were
good.
right?
Well, this is the kind of cocoa used to make Oreos originally.
Yes,
or,
the
or
original-
Oreos.
The original Oreos were made with black cocoa. They're not anymore, but. And then you've got the cream cheese filling.
With the dark chocolate. Oh my god.
I don't know if the color is coming through or not. Fingers worth, but it's hard to get just 2 fingers of this one because it's really sticky. Get it as much into a ball as you can, and then kind of finish shaping it into a ball with the cocoa. It does wind up mostly ball shaped, not perfect though. Dip in the salt. Says, nobody takes me outside, nobody gives me treats. I'm so neglected.
We do need to get more treats though. And get some like treat toys to keep Nim and Samir occupied while giving the other kids treats. Sorry.
We are.
After some experimentation, we learned that the food mill is just much easier for this than the sieve.
Yeah. So this is the sieved pulp, right? This has been strained, and this is the liquid. Now what we get to decide is how thick we want our cider and add some of this into there. And then what we want to do with this. This can just be applesauce. It's already applesauce. You can just eat it as is. You can process it and turn it into apple butter. You could use it for baking. You can put it in cakes, muffins, breads, all kinds of tasty things. I guess you can just discard it if you don't want it, but it's an awful shame.
Or you can ferment it.
Ooh, yep, you can use it as the mash for an alcohol distillation, which next year, maybe. I'm thinking I'm gonna make some apple butter to go with our black bread. Alright. It's really good. It's really good. It's not too sweet, which is something I don't like about a lot of the store-bought ciders. You can taste all the spices. That is going to be amazing with some moonshine or whiskey or tuaca in it. You could add some tuaca to it while it's really hot and then put some whipped cream on it. It'd be like apple pie in a cup. We are using this special honey that is from the same orchard as the black apples. And this is the last harvest of honey for the year, and it came from a field of black asters. So very appropriate. We don't need a lot Just enough to kind of sweeten the apple butter up a bit. Didn't film this recipe because we were filming a bunch of other recipes, but this is the dinner we're having on the night before All Hallows after making the cider and the truffles and a bunch of other things, which is just beef chuck cooked till it falls apart with a bunch of wild mushrooms and herbs from our garden, served over rustic mashed potatoes. So, definitely recommend if you are cooking all day to do something that you can just set aside for 8 hours and forget about, because otherwise I'd have been too tired to cook dinner. Yep. And now, like chopping wood. There you go. You got it.